Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Another unboxing video. This is going to be one of the more useful items that doesn't really contribute to my setup except for maybe the PC and software kind of part. But let's just go ahead and open it up so I don't have to talk as much. There's the moment of truth. There we go. Ooh, looking good. And there's another packaging. Haha, there we go. Oh, this thing is frustrating trying to get out. And you guys see it already. Brand new weather station. Will you look at that? Software is kind of meh, but I'll just stream it directly to Weather Underground anyways. Here's what the setup looks like. Here's the display. Software, like I just said. So this was originally $110. It was on a lightning deal on Amazon for only $52. So of course I got it. And it's one of the only weather stations that has a light index sensor also. Not only that, but of course UV too. It's even got this nice handle on it. That's a first for a weather station box. I'm excited guys, I'm excited. Excited for that part. There we go. Box is empty. Here's what we're looking at. This is the manual. Looks like this is for the anemometer, which is what it says up there, wind and air pressure. Looks like this is the display, which is smaller than I thought. Thought it would be out to here at least. No big deal. Alright. Here's the mounting for, I believe, the anemometer and the... yeah. Some poles. The anemometer itself, which is connected through an RJ11 cord. See, I think that's either the solar charger or the light sensor. Could be both. Of course, this is the thermometer and hydrometer. Wind vane, that's what I meant to say. This looks like it might be a mounting bracket, possibly. 2 AA rechargeable batteries. The mini USB cable for the display. Zip ties, that's a nice addition. Here's the rain gauge. Of course, the software installation disc. Oh, look at that. Screws. Can't miss those. Alright, I'll begin putting stuff together and I'll show you guys how it looks. Well, that was a royal pain in the butt. But it looks like it's all set up finally. So here's the wind vane, anemometer, rain gauge, thermometer, and light sensor, maybe? That's what it's called. They gave me some really long RJ11 cords too. So, looks like I'm going to have to do some more cable management than is already given to me. 'Cause there's no other places to manage cables, unfortunately. Let me just take the screen off. Right over there. Does it come with batteries all? Nope. I have to supply those. It gives me batteries for this, power everything, but it doesn't give me batteries for this. So luckily, I already have some AA's ready to go. Not done yet. Guys, we are up and running. Everything is calibrated. The sensors are put outside on the patio for now. I may get around to trying to roof mount it since I will get much more accurate results that way, but I have to find a location and also find a way to mount it on the side of the house.